Hello, good afternoon, readers. Today we are looking at this story by Mo Willems, and it's called Let's Go for a Drive. This story gets great mileage. Let's Go for a Drive, an Elephant and Piggy book by Mo Willems. Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That sounds fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Wait! If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map! Zip. You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have the map. Zap. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map. Wait! It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Bringing sunglasses on the drive is smart planning. I have sunglasses. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, 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 drivey, drive, drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny, sunny glasses. Wait! It might rain while we drive. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas. Zip. Make a plan and stick to it is what I say. I have the umbrellas. Zip. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas. Wait! We have so much stuff to pack. We need bags. I have bags. Get those bags. Zip. We cannot go wrong with a good plan. Oof. I have the bags. Oof. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy, bag, bags. Wait! There will be a lot of driving on our drive. We need a car! I said we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggy? No. I am a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive, except the car. Our plans are ruined. What are we going to do now? We could play pirate. We need plans when you have a big... Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arg. And that's the end. I really love this story because it reminds me of how we planned to have school all together this year. But then a lot of things changed, and now we're having school on the computer. But I'm so excited to have you guys, because who needs plans when I have you as my students? Have a great day. Happy reading.